Baby, we done with the sides. Okay, I can have a seat because my back is on fire, my feet are tired, and yeah, this is the process. It's not the same as the install, but it's still, time consuming. So, yep, we're gonna go ahead and get started on the top. I may come back to you guys just so that you can see the progress. I may not. I may just wait until I'm finished all the way. I'm just trying to get finished at this point. All right, I'll talk to you later. Even though I can't see the lock itself, I do try to go around the base of it to try to get rid of any loose hairs that might be, stuck between locks and that sort of thing. And so you guys will see me using my fingers. This is to help me, like, as a guide, so that I can make sure that I am going through the center of the lock rather than just like a corner or something like that, because you don't want the lock to be imbalanced. Sometimes, you don't go all the way through the middle, and that's okay. But try to get there if you can. So this is 8 weeks. Can you see? Okay. This is 8 weeks of growth for me. Some of my areas, they seem to grow. I don't know if they grow faster or if the lock just slides down quicker. I'm not 100% sure, but sometimes I feel like I be rotating my arms and shoulders off. My be up here so long. Like I was saying before, I really think that 6 weeks is if you're gonna be maintaining yourself, I really think 6 weeks is a optimum amount of time to wait in between your reties. Now, if you're gonna have somebody else doing it for you, then that may be a little different, just because their whole arm situation is gonna be a much different process than yours. So it's a thought. But we just want to go around, because I'm not gonna get in the mirror because I don't want to stand up anymore. I'm tired. Okay, my neck is sore, my back hurt, I'm irritable, and I'm ready to be finished. So I am actually debating on getting some hair color. I think I have the colors I want in my head, and I believe I know how I want to set my colors as well. So I'll definitely record that for you guys, just so you can see, because bleach and locks is like a scary thing for me, so we're gonna need moral support. I'll do one more up here for you guys, and then I'm gonna get off of here and come back to you at the end so you guys can see what it looks like. Whew. man, I'm telling you, like, you gotta do push-ups to do this. Shoot. All right, and we are now finished. Hey, baby, okay, because it'd be a lot. Okay, so let me just go ahead and give you guys a full look-see. Altogether, if it was like non-stop and I didn't take breaks or anything, it would take me probably about 14 or so hours to install or retie, should I say, my locks. It takes 2 minutes per lock. And the only reason I know this is because I had a massage appointment yesterday. So I needed to be done by 3. And that's how I was like able to keep track of the time. And that's how I know it's 2 minutes per lock.